Anogia is a large village in the northern foothills of Mount Psiloritis, the highest mountain in Crete. It's a place where you can still detect the rural Crete of old. Anogia has been the center of the local wool industry, and many homes still have weaving looms. Stroll around the cafes and you'll see examples of the traditional Cretan male, black-shirted, with fierce eyebrows, sipping the ubiquitous raki. They look like this because Anogia has a history of resistance to invaders, which it paid for heavily in 1944, when the Nazis massacred most of its population. Anogia is 54 kilometers from Rethymno, about an hour by car or bus. Oddly enough though, a part of Rethymno province. It's closer to Heraklion in distance.